Our project was Decentralized Identity Security System using blockchain, presented by G. Abhinay, K. Harshant Verma, and A. Naveen Kumar, our supervisor, Dr. Sriman, assistant professor. These are the topics we are going to cover. Introduction. The project focused on developing a decentralized identity security system using blockchain, aimed at providing secure, tamper-proof, and user-controlled digital identities. Motivation behind choosing the topic is the increasing risk of identity theft, data breaches, and decentralized control over the personal data motivated the development of a secure, decentralized identity system that empowers. Problem statements. Traditional identity systems are prone to data breaches and centralized controls. These are the problem statements that we are identified. And our object of the project, main objects are to develop a secure and decentralized identity management system using the blockchain technology to enable users to have full control over the digital identities. And after that, we are going to existing systems. Previously, traditional approaches like centralized identity systems, federated identity management, public key infrastructure, that are going to call it as PKI. Here also we see about the problem statements. Traditional identity management systems are centralized, making them vulnerable to data breaches, unauthorized access, and lack of user control. After that, we are going to see about the proposed systems. Short summary of our proposed solutions. These projects proposes a secure and decentralized identity management systems leveraging blockchain technology to eliminate reliance on centralized identity providers and the user on authenticate author through a secure XAMPP based communication layer, and the backend is developed using PHP. The proposed systems overcomes a centralization by using the blockchain to ensure tamper-proof decentralized identity storages. After that, we are going to see about the system architecture. Register user to account verified. After that, we go to the login user and devoke CURD. After that, document verified. After that, we will usually log out from the users. Tools recognized from our projects are blockchain, hashing algorithm, XAMPP, PHP, Apache Tomcat, Eclipse IDE, MySQL. Apart from these, Eclipse was the main tool that we are using to build our project. Algorithms are helpful to do our project. Secure user identity verification and storage. Verify users' identity securely and store it on the blockchain using hashing and decentralized. Here are the code that we are going to use the hashing program to convert from one form to another form by using private keys and public keys. Description. This algorithm ensures that the user's sensitive data is never stored in plain text. Instead, that password is hashed before being combined with a timestamp and a digital signed to form a tamper-proof identity transaction. For that, here is the algorithm with description. After the same as this implementation. Uh, in our project, data refers to user identity details collected during the registration and authentication. The key data components are username, password, after that public key. The data pre-processing in our project is mainly covering on pre-processing ensures the identity data is valid, secure, and blockchain ready. Input validation, timestamp format, and the hashing was applied through the SHA 256 to passwords before the transmission or storage. Encoding was converting data into the base 64 or hexadecimal blockchain compatibility. After that, testing and validation. Testing method unit integration systems and perform testing where we are used to ensure the security and functionality. Tools like Postman, JUnit, it is also known as Eclipse. The test cases was tested scenario included user registration, invalid login, blockchain tampering, and also behavior and secure error handling. The validation metrics ML model was evaluated using accuracy was 96.2 percentage. Result and analysis. Performance metrics. The system demonstrated robust performance, efficiently handling up to 500 concurrent users without any services interruption. And the quality analysis was during testing, most user login patterns followed expected behavioral form confirms that machine learning model accurately learned and adapted to legitimate usage trends. Here we are going to demonstrate our project. Going to demonstrate our project. These are the decentralized identity security system using blockchain technology. I have deployment distributors. Here is the web app module name and the XMLNS, and also here we see the version and ID. Display the name. We have all know that our name is decentralized identity security system using blockchain. After that, we are going to see our web servers and our Java packages. It is a code that is belongs to the login action of Java, and after that cloud login, and after cloud login action, and also KGC login. These are the packages that are included in Java process. After that libraries, Apache or Tomcat, we have seen how many of the libraries that we have included in this. This is the total JavaScript resources with content. Now we are going to check the project. Directly we will go to our interface. This is our project interface, blockchain based personality. Security system is the main name that was included in the heading. After that, admin already we have here. Here we are going to see the home page. After that, view our users. These are the users that in our included in our blockchain identity security system. User uploaded request. These are zero. Count. We are going to see the count of the attributes, number of request counts. EC. These are the file names, and this is the range according to the point wise. These are the view our users uploaded files. Here we are going to see these are the users and their keys after their date of birth. I think these are the hash keys, and these are the file names they have uploaded in our list. Now we are going to see the graph number of authorized attributes. Satya, Prabhu, Raghu, and the request ones. Yeah. And it is the PHP that I have with the help of PHP MySQL. I have created the database. The project is mainly focused on developing a secure and tamper-proof identity and leveraging by blockchain technology. The system aims to eliminate the reliance on centralized identity providers by allowing the individuals to manage and verify their digital identity in a decentralized environment. The example control panel, including the Apache and MySQL, was used to create a local development identity environment which where Apache server as the web server and MySQL was used to their relational database for storing non-sensitive or auxiliary user information. The front end and the back end were built by the using of PHP, which handled user registration, login, identify verification, blockchain interaction. PHP scripts collected user data, validated it, and converted sensitive identity information into the hash value, where then stored on the blockchain. Thus, a decentralized ledger ensures the identity cannot be alerted and also provides security and trust. The Tomcat server that we have seen here, the Tomcat server is basically additional Java-based modules and API that communicate with the blockchain and or internal systems. The project hybrid design. Overall, overally, okay. Overall, the system allows users to register and authenticate using blockchain-based backend identities and admin panel, also built using PHP and MySQL, enables administrative control for streaming, issuing, or revoking identities. The project showcases a practical implementation of decentralized identity principles and demonstrate how the traditional web technologies can be combined with blockchain to enhance data security and user autonomy in digital identity. Now we are going to our PPT and we are continue with our further content. We are going to see the Sustainable Development Goals. Alignment with SDGs. This project aligns with the UN Sustainable Development SDG 16 Peace, Justice and Strong Instructions by enabling secure, tamper-proof and decentralized identity management with using the blockchain which enhance the trust and transparency in digital identity securities. Potential social and environmental impact. Socially, the system empowers users with self-owned digital identities, reducing identity theft and enhancing access to digital service. Environment. The use of lightweight permission, blockchain and standard development tools PHP and XAMPP ensures the minimum energy consumption and the system efficiency. Here we are going to see about our challenges and encountered and solutions. Challenges during we have faced in our building the project implementation with Eclipse, XAMPP and PHP. Integration blockchain functional with PHP backend was complex due to limited native support, performance bottlenecks, errors from synchronous blockchain calls causes slow response time. Solutions: API and middleware enabled smooth PHP blockchain integration, while asynchronous calls improved performance. Security was strengthened with input validation, secure key storage, and robust error handling. Lesson learned: prioritize security and performance early on is essential to build a reliable, decentralized identity security system. Identities is what we are going to see about the advantages that we got in our project: data integrity, secure authentication, transparency, decentralization, user control, cost efficiency, and also scalable user-friendly interface. Developer using PHP with a clear front end for easy navigation and usage. These are the advantages for building in a project. Can be adaptive to support larger user bases and document sets without major architectural changes. And we are going to see the limitations and future scope. Planned enhancement. A mobile app will be developed to allow documents, upload and QR verification on the go, biometric authentication, and also role-based access control will enhance the security system. These are the planned enhancement, and we are going to see more updates, and we will improve the integrity and monitoring. And potential research direction. Further research can focus on integrated advanced cryptographic techniques like zero knowledge proofs of for the improved privacy. AI based anomaly detection for document fraud can also be investigated. And we are going to see the conclusion of our project. In our conclusion, blockchain based totally identification protection system enhance the security and privacy of personal facts and prevent identity theft and fraud. By helping to create a more at ease and responsible virtual society, blockchain primarily based system assistant save your losses from identity theft and fraud. Through this, we are going to improvement in the area and enforcement through structures in a green and moral manner. After that, we are going to see our demonstration. It is the GitHub link that we have created, and we uploaded our source code in this GitHub account. And this is the publication status. Conference name was the International Conference on Mathematics, Computation, and the Artificial Intelligence for Management Innovation. It is a separate website, and also the conference location was Tamil Nadu, India. Conference date was on May 27, 2025. And here is the conference website link. The status was accepted and the payment was also done. Here is the significance of the project enhanced digital identity security using the decentralized architecture using the hashing method. It addresses vulnerability in centralized system. After these are the references that we have taken. Through this we have developed through this we have initially started our project, and thank you.